What if I told you there's a platform out there that's actually better than Shopify? I know that sounds like a bold claim, but hear me out. You're probably thinking, okay, in what way it's better than Shopify? Well, let me break it down for you step by step. First of all, its interface is more user friendly. It's super clean, easy to navigate, and perfect for beginners and pro alike. Now let's talk about pricing. Shopify basic plan will cost you around $25 a month, whereas this platform will cost you less than $10. Here's another thing, on Shopify you have to buy themes separately, and let's be real, premium themes are highly expensive. But on this platform you can get access of pre-made professional themes for free. And the best part is they are fully customizable. And it doesn't stop here. Often on Shopify you have to buy app subscription. But with this platform all the plugins are completely free, no hidden charges. You can even integrate payment method like PayPal or your local bank account with just one click. If you are into dropshipping, then this platform is ideal for you. Now I will introduce this platform in detail step by step. But before I do that, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. I have dropped the link of this platform in description. If you use my link to create your account, you will get some extra features like 1 month free trial, exclusive features free, plus 24/7 support from platform team. After that, then simple click on start free trial option. Then you will directly land on this page. Maybe they will ask some questions about you like for what purpose you are creating your store, a little bit information. After fulfilling all this information, you can directly land on this home page. And here you will see your total sales. Here you can see your total orders, your average order value price, total live visitors, your conversion ratio, order fulfillment rate, and your best selling product. That's why earlier I said that its homepage is user friendly. Like all the important information you will find on your dashboard. On order option, you will find your all orders. Click on all your orders appear here. In abandoned cart, you will see those people who just abandoned, did not place the order. And here in shop option, and when you click on all products, here you can create your product listing. Like click on simple add product, add the title of your product, add the tagline, then here you can add description, your product price, discount, inventory, etc. Like if you are using Shopify, then this platform is more easy for you because it's lookalike to Shopify. And here you can upload your product image, category, badge, etc. In inventory option, you can update the stock about your product. In categories, you can simply create categories. And in customer option, you will find all the details of the customer who placed order on your store, like their email and phone number. In coupon option, you can create simple discount coupon, like just click on add new coupon, enter your discount type, minimum amount of order, your code etc. Then in store content, you can see all the content of your store like banners, your testimonial, product reviews, manual link, FAQs, contact link. Like if you want to create testimonial, simple click on testimonial, click add new, enter the name, city, review, and you can add simple profile picture. In FAQs, you can add some FAQs. Like simple click on add new FAQ and just put the information here. In contact link, you can add your platform link like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, etc. In blogs, you can simply write blogs. Pages, you just create page, click on create new page, your new page will publish. Now come to main option. Here you can find some themes. There are 3 premium themes here. These themes are highly customizable. Let's apply this theme because this is some kind of fashion store. And here it is. It's applied. Then I simply click on preview store. And here you see. Just one click and it's look like some professional store, and you can customize it as many as you can. Like in categories, you can find all the categories here. In shop, you will find your product details here. Like if I select some product, here you can see product title. This is a dummy store, that's why there's no title shown here, but you can add title of your product here very easily. If you want to customize your theme, just simple click on customize option. You can customize anything like home page, product page, custom CSS. Like in home page, you want to create some categories, you can turn off here. You can turn on here, you can add new section. All the new sections are available here. That's why I said that these themes are highly customizable. You can add any option as you want. Then on simple plugins, you can find all the major plugins here like Metapixel, Google Analytics, TikTok Pixel, Google Search Console, Live Sales Pop-up, and these plugins are completely free. Then in settings, you can find the major settings of your store. In store detail, you can create your store name, your business detail, your phone number, email, your country location, currency. It's a basic setting here. But one more important thing, before creating your store, just click on here, upgrade your plan. Then here you can select the plan, because plan selection is the most important. If you don't select any plan, your all setting will get restored. Make sure to buy this plan, because in this plan you can find all the important options. Courier deliveries, all the courier companies are available here. In payment method, all the payment methods are available here like Stripe, PayPal, SafePay, JazzCash, Switch. SEO is very important option. You can simple SEO your store here. Just homepage title, homepage description, meta keywords, your store logo. It's same like Shopify. And checkout option, you can simply customize your checkout according to your need. If you face any problem on this platform, I'm giving the WhatsApp support number of this platform in the description. And make sure to create account with the link that I provided in description to get some extra features.